Hello, children. Today we will draw and learn English. Let's draw a bee. First, draw a circle. This is the head of the bee. Now, draw the bee's eyes. And the bee's smile. Draw the bee's antennas. Antennas on the head. Now, draw the bee's body. This is the body of the bee. And next, draw the bee's wings. Wings of the bee. What is this? This is a bee. This is a bee. What is this? This is a bee. And now, draw the bee's tail. Bee. Bee. What is this? This is a bee. Now, let's draw a flower. First, draw a circle. This is the middle of the flower. Now, draw the petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Great! The petals are ready. Now, draw the stem. This is the stem of the flower. Next, draw 2 leaves on the stem. 1, 2 leaves on the stem. What is this? This is a flower. Flower. Now, let's color. Let's color the bee. What color is it? It is yellow. Yellow bee. Yellow. What color is the bee? The bee is yellow. Yellow bee. What is this? This is a bee. The bee is yellow. Yellow bee. Now, let's color the flower leaves. What color are they? They are green. Green leaves. Green. What color are the leaves? The leaves are green. Green leaves. Well done! We colored the bee and the flower leaves. see you next time. Bye bye.